Firstly, we need just connect the middle section with the lowest section.
Then pull the hidden section out and slide to connect to the middle section. And now we just pull until the hidden button pops out and the whole pole is locked. Pop the click and pull out and you can find your desired or demanded height. Tighten the screw backside to have more tension and then clip it back. Just find the pop-out button and press it to disassemble the hiking poles. At this time, you can pull the handle outward and press the button at the same time. Then this trekking pole apart into 3 sections with ease.